Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh and in this video I am going to perform the lab of multi-point frame relay. For this purpose I have a scenario and it's same scenario as the point-to-point frame relay, my previous video. In this scenario I have to configure the cloud, and now I'm going to configure the frame relay multi-point over these routers. Using multi-point frame relay, we configure the IP addresses over interfaces, as all the IP addresses of all our network are in one range. You can see these all of three IPs are from one range having one ID, and these three IPs belongs to one ID. And this type of network also known as the non-broadcast multi-access. In this network, multiple devices are connected to each other, but the default feature of the router is that the router not allowed to cross over the broadcast through it. Because of it, it is also known as NBMA. NBMA means non-broadcast multi-access. You can see that IP addresses over serial interfaces are from only one range. This concept is totally different from the configuration and features of previous configurations, previous scenarios. So first of all, for the configuration of multi-point frame relay. No. Enable configuration terminal. Now multi-point frame relay may configure over serial interface and sub interface also. Experts are says to configure multi-point frame relay over sub interfaces. Because it will be very helpful in future for scalability into the network and configuration also. Using sub interfaces provides flexibility. So I will configure sub interfaces in this lab. First of all, interface serial 0/0, no shutdown. You can see the state is changed up. Encapsulation frame relay, put the tab key to complete the command. Encapsulation frame relay and frame relay LMI type CISCO. Exit. Now I will go to sub interfaces or interface of interface serial 0/0. I'll put dot and question mark. You can see the range of sub interfaces. I'll choose any one of the sub interface. So I'll select one and put question mark. Is showing that multi-point and point-to-point. In this lab I'm going to configure multi-point. So I write here multi-point. Multi-point treats as multi-point link. Enter, and you can see the status of the interfaces are up. Now I'm going to assign IP address over sub interface. IP address, you can see the IP address I have to assign here is 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Enter. Now frame relay interface DLC, you can see there are two DLC values and provided by ISP internet service provider. ISP inform you about the DLC number. Okay, now the DLC number I will configure 102, enter, and same as 103. Okay, now show IP interface brief. Sorry, put do, and you can see I have to configure serial interface sub interface having the IP address, and the protocol of this interface is up. Now I'll go to in the next router. Now enable configuration terminal interface serial 0/0. Now shut encapsulation frame relay LMI type, and you can put question mark and see here there are three types of LMI type: NC, Cisco, and Q933A. Your ISP internet service provider inform you about the LMI type, and it's on ISP that which type of LMI provides to you. So I have to configure Cisco in my cloud. You can see I have to add Cisco, so I'll select Cisco. Enter. Now exit and go into the sub interface of serial 0/0.1 and multi-point, enter. Now IP address on this link is 10.0.0.2. okay, now frame relay interface DLC, there are two DLC values, 201 and 203, enter. Now on the next router, first of all I will put the command do show IP route, and you can see that is connected to directly one route. Show IP interface brief, and you can see the sub interface having the IP address and the protocol is up. You can see the green light is showing the protocol is up. Now on the next router 3, now enable configuration terminal interface serial 0/0. No shut encapsulation frame relay LMI type Cisco, exit interface serial 0/0.1 and multi-point. Now frame relay interface DLC, there are two values of DLC, 302 and 301. 301, enter. Now I have to configure the multi-point frame relay over these three routers. Now I will carry on the frame relay lab in my next video. Thanks for watching and stay with us.